Hi, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to navigate your MyMBA profile page. You'll log in to mba.org, logging in with your email, which is your work email, and your password. If you ever forget your password, just click Reset Password. Do not create a new account. Up in the right-hand corner, you'll see the welcome and your name, and all the way to the right, you'll see MyMBA. Here at MyMBA, that will take you to your profile page. If you ever need to update your profile, simply click on Update Profile to update a new company if you've moved companies, an email, an address, any of your information you may do on your own there. If you're a company admin, you can manage any company information. On the personal My Profile and Preference area, you can download the MBA logo to put on any of your communications. You can manage your communication preferences based on what emails you would like to receive from MBA. And as you look through the rest of the page, you'll see you can access and see any of the courses you've taken, anything you're signed up for. Take a look at education course catalogs, any of the communities or committees that you're part of. Join or renew the Mortgage Action Alliance, MA. Take a look at the membership directory. You can source hundreds and thousands of member resources. Apply for a designation, or take a look at submitting a session proposal and speaking at an upcoming conference. We're here for you if you have any questions or would like to contact us, and thank you so much for your membership.